Hello. Hi, welcome. Where are you? I can't see you all. Welcome for Ramayan. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Where are you guys?
Happy Diwali.
I'm not able to see you. Let me check.
I'm happy Diwali.
Hi, happy Diwali. It's so nice to see all action taker, beautiful moms. You have always been behind the camera, right? It's a good opportunity. Hello, Shreyansh. Ananya, you're looking so pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're already my Barbie doll, right? Hi, Rima. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hi, happy Diwali. Oh, look at my Hanuman.
Same to you.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Shaurya, Jai Shri Ram. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Oh, I've got this doll audience also, huh? Thank you so much. Hi, Avneet. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, look at beautiful Sita, modern Sita. You're looking so cute, Avneet. Shaurya,
Thank you, ma'am.
Shreyansh, are you ready for the play today?
R.
Ready?
Yeah.
We are just waiting for a couple more to join.
Have all people.
So are you all excited for Diwali? I'm very excited. Do you know? Because you all have dressed up. So this Diwali is very special for me. Oh, Ramayan is a big, great epic. So I'm so glad to see. Ruchi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mothers, why mothers? Because, oh my God, the whole effort is from mothers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at Shekhar is here. Shekhar, sir, happy Diwali. The creative and the support because of which we are here, right? He loves children and children also love him. Sorry? I can't hear
And
you.
with lot of efforts, I'm able to fit in this kurta, after lockdown.
No, it is amazing. Wow, Priyanka, welcome.
Hi, Priyanka.
Happy
Wow.
Diwali. Oh my God, same color. Did we decide? Gorgeous. See, the whole idea was because of this uncertainty. Many people were not celebrating Diwali and children would have not known what is Diwali. So because of all of you, we are able to be here and see Rima, Priyanka, really this will add value because you will be doing these things with my children, right? So glad you are here, right, Shikhar? So Ananya, tell her what's your name? Introduce yourself. My name is Ananya. Come on, let's introduce ourselves.
Hello. Everyone. Hello, everyone.
My name is Ananya.
My name is Ananya.
Yeah, she's also very, very sweet and she will perform and then you will see the talent our children have. And mothers have been very supportive and with the dress costume. Shreyansh, what is your name? Please tell your name. Yes.
Hello.
My name is
It's Shriyan.
Shreyansh.
Application ही आपकी को solution engineer थोड़े दिन हम लोग
Wow, look at this gorgeous. Oh my God, this is original Sita. So cute you are looking. Thank you to the mothers. Where are mothers? Now, before we start, we just need to take one selfie. We will be sending you the postcard, wishing happy Diwali, and let's take a selfie with mothers. This is how you have to take selfie. Can we do that? Mothers, please. Shikhar,
Yeah,
come on, let's
actually,
take one
mothers have
selfie.
to.
You have to send me.
Yeah. Yes. So mothers have to click the selfie with their Sita, Hanuman, Ram,
Yeah,
and they
please
have
do
to send
that,
it to
mothers.
us, and we will make a collage and we'll paste it. Okay.
Yeah, please do that because once we are into celebration and performance, then we will forget. Please click your selfie, Priyanka. Mothers, Rima, please do that. Shriyansh, this is a good time. You always like this. Oh my God, Shelly, I'm not able to recognize you today. Hi, Maisha is looking very pretty.
Thank
And
you.
these are original Sitas, very good at heart. Yes,
Right now, Ayansh is not with me. I will click the photos after some
I
time.
would love to see that. See, because now it's an extended family, right? Shriyansh, Come on, keep
Yeah.
selfie with your mama like this. Avneet, call your mother, please. Like this. And then we take our selfie.
Adik.
Because we will post on our page. So I think now it's 5 o'clock. I think we should start, right? Some parents will keep joining. I've given 5 o'clock time. I think some of them must be just joining. So maybe, yeah, needs mom. Oh my God, Lord Ram, come on, show me your bow and arrow. How we'll do it?
Show your bow and
How
arrow.
did Lord Ram just killed in the novel, right? Like this.
How will you
How
kill
was
the
it?
Take up the look.
Come on, let's see Daksh. Lord Ram is here. We call him Maryada Purushottam, right? Oh my God, what is that? Really? Come on, let's see Daksh. Let's see.
I am Ram.
Dada gone for office
Show the
na.
arrow. How to kill Ravan. There's Ravan.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. No, Dada gone for office. Bye.
Sorry for this. Some parents were just joining. Okay. So are we all ready? Namaste. Come on, let's do it together. Come on, we will wish happy Diwali. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Come on, let's do it together. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Shekhar is also here. Happy Diwali. Let's do it together. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
And I have a diya which we will be lighting later because you know it's little tricky. So this will be ready towards the end. Now we'll start Ramayan. Shekhar, you can just admit parents and let's start. Oh my God, look at this Hanuman. Wow, Akash.
Nidhi, you can make me host. I'll take care of everything.
Just give me a second, 1 minute. So now let's start our dialogue. So Lord Ram with Sita, Mata and Lakshman, they went to forest. You remember? For 14 years of exile, isn't it? Then what happened? So today we will be first introducing to the characters. There are a lot of beautiful Sitas, Lakshman. So let's start with our Lord Ram. Daksh, can we start with our dialogue, please?
I am Ram.
Loudly.
I am Ram.
Yes, I am Ram.
Dashrath, king of Ayodhya.
Okay.
I am an avatar of Vishnu.
Very good. Maryada Purushottam Ram. And we are welcoming him on Diwali, right? With Sita. So, Maisha, we'll start our dialogue. All beautiful Sitas are here. Let's start, Maisha. How do we do it?
Ma'am, I have to sing.
Yeah, you start singing then. Come on, let's sing. Let's sing.
I Diwali, I Diwali, I Diwali.
Re.
दिए जलाओ, खुशी मनाओ, I Diwali re.
Super. Well done. So we can all sing together. Shekhar, everybody. So we will just pretend Diya. See, we'll do Diya at last because of the safety issues. I don't want, something to happen in between. Come on, let's start. Ananya, you lead. Avneet, come on. All my girls, boys. Come on, let's start. I Diwali, I Diwali, I Diwali re. Khushi manao, deep jalao. I Diwali re. Right? Patake chudao, mithai khao. I Diwali re. Right? Diwali is all about light, festival of lightening yourself. Right? Very good, Maisha. Very nice. Let's clap for children, and we need to encourage. See, this is how they've built up the rapport with us. In between so many, parents also, they are so vocal, right? Shaurya, your turn. So Hanumanji is here. One by one, Ekaksh. And first we'll start with Shaurya.
I am Hanuman. I am Hanuman. I am Hanuman, the devotee of Lord Ram.
Oh, devotee
I
of Lord Ram.
am to condemn that need not.
Jai Shri Ram. Come on, do it together. This ask that girls to do. Jai Shri Ram. Apna gada le lo. Where is another Hanuman? Ekaksh. Where is another Hanuman?
Excuse me.
Yes, Ekaksh. Very good, Shaurya. Well done. Very nice.
Shaurya will say Hanuman Chalisa also.
Yeah, towards end we can plan that, right? That's a very good idea. I would love that, right? Okay. Now Ekaksh, he's my very sweet Hanuman because he keeps sending me, you are my favorite, you are my
I am Hanuman. I am Hanuman. I help to Ram to kill Ravan.
Ravan. He killed
Ravan.
Ravan. Jai Shri Ram. Come on, let's do it. Jai Shri Ram. कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? Our Purushottam Ram. Come on, Maisha.
Jai Shri Ram.
Come on, come on, say Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai
More
Shri Ram.
louder, more louder.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Aksh, are you feeling good? Everybody saying Jai Shri Ram?
Jai
Right?
Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Now our Shriyansh Patil is here. He is also very talented. Now it's your turn, Shriyansh. Can we hear out?
Ramayana. This Ramayana is a
Look at me.
mythological story.
Very good. It's a mythological story.
I am younger brother of Lord Ram.
Younger brother of Lord Ram. What's your name?
Lakshman.
Lakshman. Lakshman. See, these are very tricky words, but children have picked up so well because they are trained, they are groomed from time to time, and well done. So, younger brother of Lord Ram. Ananya, who is the younger brother of Lord Ram? Just now he said Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Aisha, Avneet, let's say together. Avnish.
Lakshman.
Lakshman. Come on, let's say together. Lakshman. Who was the demon? Who was the demon with 10 heads? He did that. Ravan.
Ravan.
Ravan was the demon, right? Yes. Next, we come to Ananya. Ananya, your turn now.
Okay. I am Sita, wife of Maryada Purushottam Ram. Diwali is the festival of lights. We celebrate Diwali to welcome Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman back to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan. Thank you.
Oh, super, my parrot. Parrot. Cute parrot. Come on.
I Diwali re. Deep Diwali खुशी मनाओ आई दिवाली रे उजले फुलझड़ी पटाखे आई रे सबको बांटो खूब मिठाई आई दिवाली
Diwali Re. Super, you made my Diwali so special. Let's clap for them. See, they deserve more than this because they are amazing. You know, the confidence. And I have, sent a special thanks video for mothers who have taken special efforts. Sakshi, can you just come inside the camera? I can see mothers.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
let's take a break from children and all beautiful mothers. Mrs. Maghu Ananya is amazing. I think everybody.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure, having such a talent in, in my group, or you can say we are able to, groom them. Right, Shikhar? How was it, Shikhar?
It was amazing. It's surprising. Like I remember sitting at some sessions initially when they joined,
Yeah.
but the kind of change that I can see in just like
Yeah.
couple of months is really amazing, and superb description. Ananya, you have done a wonderful job. Even Ekansh, I remember when he started, initially, and now he's become the brave Hanuman. Amazing, amazing. It's wonderful, and the effort that moms have taken,
Yes.
for this festival. I'm so sure that while when you were जब आप उनको तैयार कर रहे थे तो आप में भी एक अलग सा
Feel
उल्लास
आ
और
रही होगी.
खुशी थी. Yeah, that feel आ रही थी, because इतने देर से वो घर के कपड़ों में वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है और साड़ी पहनने का ओकेशन नहीं मिल रहा था कि, और अभी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. So and hats off to Rima, even at this time she's joining us from all the way from Varanasi, not being in hometown. So it's amazing commitment from all of the parents. It's
Yeah,
really
actually,
amazing.
it is a wonderful journey. Now as I have written in mail also, you guys are my extended family. I don't have to celebrate Diwali with them. With you, I'm feeling more special. Sakshi, yesterday you were looking forward. She's also working.
Yeah,
How you're
absolutely.
feeling today?
Absolutely. We had so much fun dressing up today.
You are also very
But-
dedicated.
Yeah, all accessories we were thinking of how to do. So we wore bindis for Daksh. He was wearing earrings as well. And he's
Wow.
wearing some armlets here.
Oh
So
my God, you have to send a picture, parents, because
yeah,
we will make a special invite for you and you can share with your friends. And see, let me also inform parents that, these are all moral values. Wearing sari is going out of fashion. So our children after 7 or 8 years, they will not know what is sari. Honestly. So if you have taken that effort of wearing, let's clap for mothers, Shikhar. The whole credit goes to my mom, right?
चलो, अच्छा बहाना है कि it is a Saturday also, so they can tell their husbands to take them out for dinner.
That I don't know, but I'm very happy to
नहीं
see
बोलो
my
आज
family.
मैंने साड़ी डाली है तो भाई आज तो खाना नहीं बन पाएगा.
अभी हमने तो ऐसी फरमाइश की नहीं है, but still, So Ananya's mom, how you're feeling? Ananya has transformed herself. You're
Yes.
happy?
Absolutely, I'm very glad, and I was really happy, and I was looking forward for this Ramayan thing, because the moment I told Anna that you are going to be a Sita, and she was like so excited, and within a day she just learned the thing, and she's like, okay,
That's called ownership. See, that's called ownership. We
Right.
don't give that ownership till 10 years. So role play, visualization, seeing yourself as Sita, this will be memories throughout their life, believe me. So you have to click the picture, frame it, and that's how we will send you the posters. And Daksh, you are looking very handsome, Ram, also, I can say.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now Avneet, some children are waiting. Avneet, we'll start with them. Avneet, Mama is here with the dress up on.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Looking
ma'am.
pretty. I couldn't, miss out you also. It's
Yeah.
our turn to do it. Can we start, please?
Abhi,
1 minute, one parent.
I am
wait.
sent to citizen right.
Call me. Okay, sorry, Avneet, can we start?
Yes. My name
Yes, my name is Avneet. I am Sita, wife of Maryada Purushottam Ram.
Okay.
Thank
And I'm
you.
very- Sorry?
Thank you.
Okay, very shy Sita, original Sita. Okay. पहले जमाने में that घूंघट and no talking, थोड़ा शर्माना. अभी तो I see brides straight on the stage. कोई शर्म नहीं, कुछ नहीं. So well done, Avneet. Well done. Welcome. Just display your name, please. You are for the teacher training, right? Please display your name so that we can, interact. So Priyanka, how do you feel now? You're a part of this journey now. You will be a phonics teacher. You're doing our teacher training program.
I'm actually very excited for this, so that's why I dressed up and I dressed up.
Looking very pretty.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. You too. So that's amazing to see the children, the small children act like this and even speak the sentences. So that's a very, very good thing.
Yeah, and parents even might be surprised to see all this kind of things, right? Because they also don't anticipate. Maisha, she was initially very shy of me. They were not opening, but today you see they manage the whole class. So it's a relationship, right? It's a family. So teachers, those who are here, we don't work functionally like just done a certificate. We bond with children, right, Shreyansh, mom? Children love us, right?
अरे तो पॉलिसी में तो पता ही
ma'am.
ये तो पता ही
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Please, audio.
Sorry, I was on mute. Sorry. Now he loves you so much that he always wants to imitate you also. He does not.
Really?
I mean, we have boards all over the house and he takes our phonics class now.
Oh, that's super.
I
cute.
always think of always recording and sending you, but he makes almost 30 minutes, 25 minutes video. It becomes so heavy. I don't know how to manage that and cut and send you.
So, hats off and let's clap. And she's a working mom. She makes sure she comes to our class.
Yeah.
Only thing is, we need to bond with our children. They just need love, right, Shikhar?
True.
Teaching is something.
That's
it's a
absolutely
skill.
correct.
It's a skill. Maybe wearing a sari, they'll remember you for life. So always, dress up like that. So now my children are waiting. Avnish, Samanvi, please start your dialogue. We will send you the recording of this for your grandparents and everybody. So stay tuned and please take your selfie before we get busy. Yeah, Avnish, can we just be a little louder, darling?
Yes. I am of Ram. Brother of Ram.
Okay.
Then
Look at me.
We can celebrate Diwali.
Yes.
Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. The Vidya. Vidya means what? Vidya. Wait. What is Vidya?
Okay, you are blowing a candle. Avnish, you know the dialogues. What happened here?
It's called Zoom fear.
Yeah, no, he does basically. Now we'll go to Samiksha. Samiksha, you're from Bangalore, right? My name is Samiksha. Samiksha, I am from Bangalore. Bangalore. Right, start.
My name is Samiksha. Samiksha. I'm from Bangalore.
Very nice. And what is your character? You are dressed up as?
Sita.
Okay, let's hear out from beautiful Sita from Bangalore. Start, darling.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is...
Yeah, tell me, Samiksha. Parents, please mute. Yeah, start, Samiksha.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sita, wife of Maryada Purushottam Ram. Diwali is the festival of lights. We celebrate Diwali to welcome Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman back to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. Thank you.
Wow, Samiksha, very good. Well done, Ramya. Are you there? Within, I think, 8 classes, I can see total grooming of Samiksha.
Thank you.
Thanks to Ramya. Are you there, Ramya? I can't see you.
Yeah, I'm there, but I'm just getting ready.
Okay, so you have a lot of good collection of Bangalore, so you can't skip. So we'll give you another 5 minutes. Come back. Okay,
Yeah,
till
yeah,
we
I'll be
hear
there.
from Samanvi. Samanvi, another beautiful Sita from Odisha. She's from Odisha, right? Samanvi, come little closer. Come little closer. Come little closer to the camera. Yes, so that we can record you. Yes, loudly.
Hi, hi everyone. My name is Sita. I'm Sita. I am wife of Mayoda Purushottam Ram.
Okay. So she's Sita, wife of Maryada Purushottam Ram, right? Okay. So now we are mostly done. Anybody left out? Avnish, you want to try again? So till mothers, now I want my teachers to sing Ay Diwali Re. Priyanka is here. I can't see the others. Please join us for the singing. And now mothers have to sing. Please come in the center so that we have all our beautiful moms as a focus. Because see, if you were not serious, your children would have missed out, right? So you are special to me. So come in the center, Shekhar. All moms, Sakshi are looking very beautiful. Today is just like a Karwa Chauth for your husband.
Thank you. Thank you.
Deepti, are you there? Please join us. Neetu. Other teachers, Rima. Come on, let's sing. Even Ruchi, please come in the center. Ekta. Come. Come on, let's sing loudly and say first a happy Diwali, right? Now let me see who can be the loudest for happy Diwali. Happy Diwali! How will say?
Happy
Diwali!
Diwali.
I'm not enjoying.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
No, not
Diwali.
like this.
Happy Diwali.
You have to be first happy. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Loudly.
Wish
Happy Diwali.
Yes.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, handsome Hanuman. All beautiful Sitas are here. Happy Diwali, Neetu. Welcome. Come on, let's sing. Come on, loudly. Who is going to sing for me? Hi, Diwali Re. Ananya's mom, I think she must have by heart by now. Now Ananya's
Happy
mom.
Diwali. मनाओ हाय दिवाली रे
सिर्फ पटाखे चलाओ, फुलझड़ी जलाओ, हाय दिवाली
दिवाली रे
मिठाई खाओ, नए कपड़े पहनो, हाय दिवाली रे,
Happy Diwali.
what a good energy. All has this is the Hanuman, and children are carrying themselves. Generally, mothers will be worried that Nidhi, he will not be able to carry himself. So I have taken that one step ahead that there is a lot of talent. Only thing is we get serious only after 10 or 11 years at this speech and drama course. It doesn't work. You will see these children will be very good orators because their base is very, very strong, right? Yes. So
Yes.
Sakshi, can you say something on Diwali from Alpha Sonic? One-liners. You have a good
Wish you
English.
very happy Diwali, and really, I'm really glad that I could join this program with you, Nidhi, and all the children. Daksh was there with Daksh in the previous batch as well, and they've really become virtual friends. So we even mentioned all the children at home as well. कि अच्छा उसने ऐसे बोला था, उसने ये किया था.
Yeah, the
really
connection,
a
right?
group of friends virtually as well. So it's great.
Yeah, and
to
I'm
be a
also
part of
very
this.
happy. I'm very excited. This year, honestly, my Diwali is very special because, connecting words is something different, right?
Right.
It's not a joke.
Yeah,
It's something which
absolutely.
I adore.
Yeah.
Even I am very, very happy. Ruchi is from Agra. Ruchi, how do you feel? Agra में तो बहुत जोरों शोरों से दिवाली होती है. This year, Alpha Sonic is celebrating. Right?
Yes.
Our children are very happy. I can see them smiling, the way they are carrying. You see, they will not look here and there, and especially these Hanumans and all. They are sticking to the camera for more than 30 minutes. So objective of today's activities enhance the confidence. the communication, the speech and drama concept, the self-esteem. Self-esteem means तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम वो नहीं कर सकते, you know, you can't do this. So we are always into that fight. If you are a good trained teacher, you can get the best out of. So I can keep that, I can give that credit to me, right? I got the best talent, right? So all teachers in this group who are going to be certified phonics teacher always set an example. So when teachers come and say, ma'am, mere se ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha. So I wonder how I've been doing this for last 18 years. Right, Shekhar?
Absolutely. I just want to tell everybody that first I want to tell parents that amazing job. And as Nidhi said, start putting things on your children, you know, and you will see that they will handle it gracefully. We always are very hesitant. Are chota hai, are bacha hai, are nahi kar payega.
Very talented.
And trust me, अभी भी मेरी मम्मी मुझे बोलती है, अरे ये सब नहीं कर पाएगा तू. You getting it? So don't make your children. Your children are 21st century children. They are very, very advanced techie. Okay, give them stuff so that they can handle themselves. Give them that opportunity. Okay, a lot of children lack because उनको वो opportunity नहीं मिलती है. So now is the best time, and want to always tell that these are 21st century children. Okay, so they are very, very smart than you. Trust me, a 7-8-year-old child is a very smart child, and you guys are younger, so you are making that foundation. Okay, chal tujhe ye karna hai, I will help you out. You want to do this, I will help you out. Opportunity dijiye bachcho ko, and see they will handle it very, very gracefully. Okay, and amazing job to all the moms. And yeah, trust me, Nidhi has been doing this since so long. I have worked with Nidhi for so long now, and I have seen her doing this stuff. Even after having a workshop, you know, in this week, she was able to pull it off. So it's an amazing, you know, talent that she has. So this is what goes to all the teachers who have joined us for observation session, that it doesn't matter how busy you are. Okay, you have to plan your stuff, and you can take out time for yourself and the learnings. And this is how events are done, especially for the teachers who have joining for the observation. ऐसे event करते हैं. This is how the coordination, the role plays to small children given, an amazing job done. The small children, the dialogues that they said is amazing. They're just like 2 and 3 months old with us, you know.
Just
and
some of them are even just 4 classes. So a lot of potential, and now you all are my family. That's all I can say. So
yes,
let's groom them. Don't wait for schools. Don't wait for opportunities. You have to jump into action. Shelly, how is your experience? You enjoy it?
Yeah, ma'am, it's a very nice experience. I can see very much change in Maisha.
Yeah, she's like Nidhi ma'am. Nidhi ma'am. So she's my next daughter.
बोलती रहती है निधि मैम, निधि मैम.
That's how we want them to, you know, build up the connection. So the bond. See, teachers, mothers, we should just connect with them. So
Yeah.
like this, another thing is coming, Chai Pe Charcha. Those who want to discuss the problems, they can join. They can talk to me about the problems. I'm coming up before correct connect with your children. So I'm again, this initiative is to help mothers. Now, one important thing, parents, please click your selfie, especially those who join late, and please send it to me. I'll make a you know, card for you, and I will be sharing with you so that you can post your child's picture with your family. So please do one selfie. Can we do that now? Those who have missed out, Samiksha, your mama is there. Avnish, Deepika, are you there? Deepti? Samanvi's mom is here. She was having fever. Yeah, Deepti.
Avnish wants to say again his
Yeah,
dialogue.
please. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, my mama is reading.
Ready? She's still getting ready.
I'm
Yeah.
Lakshman of Brother Ram.
Okay.
Then
Sita, don't go out of this light in my absence.
So cute.
very nice. Like how mummy tells you don't go out, right? So you also tell Sita don't go out, okay?
And that's how she crossed that line and a golden deer was on her mind, right, Deepti? So finally, Deepti, you did it. You are also very dedicated. Avnish is doing very good job. Ekta is a literature teacher. Where is she?
Avnish,
So I
you
just
and me, we
wanted
are
to
wearing
say
the
hello
same.
to mothers. Where are you hidden? Ekaksh is amazing, full of love. Happy Diwali to all of you, my family members.
Ma'am, I send you one selfie right now. I already sent you one selfie of.
Yeah, and your dialogues of your children, because
Okay,
then
okay.
we should not miss out. Since they are dressed up, you can quickly take a picture. Avneesh's mom also.
Ma'am, my mom sent my
Ekaksh.
video.
Sorry?
Ma'am, my mom has sent my video.
Yeah, I will definitely post on my page, and you can post on your page. More likes, more best dress, best dialogue. There is a certificate for best dress and best dialogue. So the more you share, the more you get. And like teachers, Priyanka, you can post yourself, and other teachers also. I forgot the name. What's your name?
Rachna.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
On
Rachna.
which page I need to post? Is there any page? I'm not sure.
You can send on my personal.
Ma'am, Rachna.
Yeah, okay,
Okay, okay.
Rachna, yeah. And Shravya is also around. I think many parents I'm not able to.
Shravya is there, Neetu is there. They have all
Yeah,
joined
so-
and they are observing. Yeah.
So now I want to end up on a very happy note. We have to just give us lots of love. Come on, children, how do you give love? Show me, mothers. Lots of love on Diwali. Let's do it. Come on, I think Rachna and Samanvi's mom.
Lots of love.
We wish you a happy Diwali. Come on. We wish
It's a
you
dark
a
year.
happy Diwali.
Wish you happy Diwali.
Yeah, I will just try to lit one. Yeah. You can just refresh
Wish you
yourself.
happy Diwali.
Yes, loudly.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you for.
Happy Diwali.
Sorry?
I just got ready and came.
Yeah, oh my God. Shekhar, my God, she went to buy sari, I think. Come on now.
Yeah.
Ramya, can you sing?
Yeah.
Mama,
Actually, we haven't lit Deepavali. I'll just keep the Diya paper Deepa.
Yeah, please start. Come on, sing. Rachna, please join.
Yes.
Neetu, Shravya.
Huh?
Happy Neetu, come on. Deepti, all beautiful moms in nice sari, please come in front. We wish you a happy
Happy
Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
May your
We
life
wish
light
you
like a
Happy
diya.
Diwali.
Yeah, and this
Wish
light
you a
is
happy
about
Diwali.
growth, rising above our flaws. I don't look diya as a religion. I look diya as, wow, Shekhar has. We wish you a happy Diwali. Very good,
We
Neetu.
wish you a happy
Loudly,
Diwali.
teachers who are here, loudly.
We wish you a happy Diwali.
We wish you a happy Diwali.
I wanted to sing Hanuman Chalisa. If we just take 2 minutes and we can
Happy Diwali.
Shaurya, please. Wow, very nice. Shaurya, amazing. Be very careful. Shaurya, can we start Hanuman Chalisa?
Just 10 minutes में
Yeah, let's start.
I got green lamp. I got a big one.
Wow, that's amazing. Just safe, be safe. Yes, come on. We wish you a happy Diwali.
Diwali. We wish you a happy Diwali.
Very
We
nice.
wish you a happy Diwali.
To all your family, to all of my family.
Beautiful year ahead.
Yes, a beautiful year ahead. Very nice, good message. Neetu, you want to say something? Mrs. Maggu, you can talk something, you can sing something. Mothers, please sing. Shaurya, you want to start Hanuman Chalisa?
Yes, boss.
Who is doing the
Yeah,
Hanuman
start.
Chalisa? We will all go on mute. We will all go on
Yeah.
mute and we'll listen to the Hanuman Chalisa.
That would be great. That would be great. Please on mute. Shaurya, start, darling.
Tini kunu tanu talu de nike madanu kulu tutane mananarana kubada bhimane to दूधा एक उपलतारे कुट्टी तनुदान के तुम्हें न पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहमोली हलगु कले विकाले धर्मान ज्ञान ताकत कपीत तिनु कुदाका अंधु तप तो नाम अंदन पुच्छ वन तुतु दाम वामे तो नंबर नंकी वाले तो नंकी कंतन बना इतना नाटे तो मेटा कानून कुंतन कुंतिकिता हटा on Vadavilase Kande Utake Kantan Bana.
Bash. Man, he knows only this much.
Very good. Let's clap for Shaurya. Special clap. Very good. Ruchi, hands off to you. It's an inspiration to mothers. And you know why we should chant? Chanting makes you more focused. First thing I do my yoga. You know, because I get a lot of energy. Yeah,
I'm holding the diya.
Wow, beautiful, like you. And please take it for me.
There is a fire on it.
Yeah, Shreyansh, tell me.
I'm also holding a
Shreyansh, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to say Ramam's
Start fast. We have just 2 minutes. One by one. Daksh, one by one.
I'm also holding a
Yeah, you want to say something?
He's also holding a diya, but it's a battery operated diya.
Wow, at least he's doing that, right? So see, the whole idea was the interaction. And if you have something special, please send me a video. So Shreyansh, send me a video. Any child who want to say something for Alphasonic, we would love to. And again, you know, thanks to all of you for, you know, taking out time for this. If you have anything else, you can always get in touch with us. And we are closing for Diwali from Tuesday. Wednesday, I think one of the matches are there. Right? So come on, let's say Happy Diwali and we end this session.
Happy Diwali. Daksh wants to say
Ram
something.
is again very religious, so it's up to you.
The Daksh wants to say something.
Just say something. Yeah.
Mama, I really like the class. Mama, I really like the class.
Oh,
Thank
you really
you.
like the class. That's good. So now teacher is passed today. So consider Papu pass ho gaya like that. They are so close to me. Pura class mein they will keep on saying ma'am. But I'm so used to that. I love it. I never get disturbed. See, because they have to talk with me. Phonics is all about building up communication. So I generally don't get upset. So moms, thank you and say goodbye. Come on, how do we say goodbye? Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.
I love you. I love you. I love my class is always like this, very noisy.
I'm my tail.
How do you feel? Okay, Anuman, stay there.
My tail.
Yeah.
Your tail is very nice.
Sorry?
Teacher, I can leave meeting.
I can't hear you, ma'am. What's your name?
Ma'am, I miss you.
I also miss you. Kanya. You all are my lifelines. You know, I'm so close to each one of them. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Actually saying Tita tail.
Sorry?
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Tita tail.
Okay, Tita tail. Yeah. Yeah, Avnish, tell me. Jai Shri. Come on, let's go. Jai Shri Ram. Now is Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram करते हुए पूरा bridge cross कर लेना. Jai Shri Ram. Very nice. Beautiful. Yes.
Jai Shri Ram.